Calculate stock turnover ratio if gross profit is given to be 20% of cost. Sales for the year were rupees 9 lakh. Opening stock is given to be 1 lakh and closing stock is given to be 2 lakhs. Now students, coming to the formula for stock turnover ratio. Stock turnover ratio is equal to cost of goods sold divided by average stock. Now students, average stock is equal to opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. So let us calculate average stock first. Average stock is equal to opening stock plus closing stock whole divided by 2. In this case, opening stock is given to be rupees 1 lakh and closing stock is given to be rupees 2 lakh. So we'll add them. 1 lakh plus 2 lakhs divided by 2. That means 3 lakh divided by 2, which gives us an average stock of rupees 1 lakh 50,000. Let us mark it as equation number 1. So equation number 1 tells us that our average stock is worth rupees 1 lakh 50,000. Now, coming to the numerator. Numerator here is cost of goods sold. So now students, how do we calculate cost of goods sold? Looking at the question, we can clearly see that gross profit is given to be 20% of cost and the cost itself is not given. So what we'll do is, let cost be rupees X. This implies gross profit, by GP I mean gross profit. This is equal to 20% of X, which is equal to 20 upon 100 X, that is equal to X upon 5. Now students, cost is given to be X, or we have assumed it to be X. On this basis, gross profit comes to be X by 5. Now we know the relation, that is cost of goods plus gross profit is equal to sales. That means X plus X by 5 is equal to, sales were 9 lakh. Taking LCM and adding, it becomes 6 upon 5 is equal to 9 lakh. Now by cross multiplying this value, we will get X is equal to 9 lakh into 5 by 6. This is 1 lakh 50,000 into 5 rupees 7 lakh 50,000. Now X is valued at 7 lakh 50,000. We had assumed this X to be our cost of goods sold. So this implies that cost of goods sold is now equal to 7 lakh 50,000 rupees. Now students, we have both the values. By equation number 2, we can see that the cost of goods sold is 7 lakh 50,000 and the average stock that we had calculated earlier in equation number 1 was 1 lakh 50,000. So now substituting these values in the formula for stock turnover ratio, that is stock turnover ratio now would be equal to cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold is 7 lakh 50,000 divided by average stock, which is 1 lakh 50,000, it comes to 5 times